Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Facebook, so open the app or desktop site and sign in. Once done, go straight to the Reels tab or locate a reel in your main feed and tap it to open the Reels viewer. Make sure your bottom or side navigation shows Reels, profile, and menu icons. You'll use Menu next. These are the essentials you need to reach your list quickly, and they save time versus searching between unrelated settings. Now head to Menu, choose Settings and Privacy, then Settings and open Activity Log. Once inside, apply the Media or Reels filter to show only your Reel interactions, views, likes, comments, and uploads. If you uploaded a Reel, switch to your posts or videos to locate it. Use the Date filter or search box to jump to a specific month or keyword. This speeds up retrieval when you have extensive history. Keep an eye on the icons that mark uploads versus interactions. Open any Reel entry to see details like when it posted and its visibility. This explains why something appears or doesn't. If you want to keep a Reel, use Save to Collection for in-app reference or download if the option exists. Once reviewed, adjust privacy or reshare as needed. If Reels are missing, check your archive and account activity, ensure the app is updated, and verify you're on the correct account. These steps resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.